Honor is ready to unveil new top-end smartphone, Honor 300. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. With some better updates over the previous generation models. If talk about the display, it will be OLED panel with a 6.7 inches big screen size and with 1200 by 200 664 pixels of resolution. You will enjoy with this big screen display and 120 Hz refresh rate. Honor 300 sports a tri-cam setup for best photos and videos recording. The front part holds a 50 megapixel front sensor for amazing portraits. The smartphone will run on Android-based Magic OS system. The phone has 5G and dual SIM capability and equipped with Snapdragon chipset. And to give more power, there will be an octa-core processor paired with Adreno GPU. The phone features an optical fingerprint sensor. The device packs a 5200 mAh cell and reverse wire charging support. That's all for now and thanks for watching.